Hey guys, it's Warren here again with Chess Made Fun. We're making chess fun for everyone. I'm going to introduce to you today what's called the pawns game. As a new player in chess, have you ever sat down at the chessboard, seen all the pieces on the board and just felt overwhelmed? Well, what you don't hear talked about a lot is what's called the pawns game. The pawns are the foot soldiers in chess. White has 8, black has 8. The object of the pawns game is simply to get one of your pawns all the way across the board. Now you need to use all your pawns just to get one pawn across. If you try to move one pawn by itself, it'll never get across. There are just too many men on the other side keeping it back. So we're going to sit down for a couple of minutes and play through the pawns game. What you'll notice is it's so easy to play. You can play 5 or 10 games in like 15 or 20 minutes. Gives you an easy chance to win at chess instead of having to spend a drudgery of 30 minutes to an hour playing a full chess game. It's a great warm-up exercise. We hope you enjoy seeing it.
Hey guys, it's Yvonne with Chess Made Fun, and today we're going to show you one of our favorite games for beginning chess players, especially if you're trying to help teach your child how to play chess or you're just learning chess for the first time. Our best recommendation is to play the pawns game. To start off with, we'll show you how a pawn moves. When you first move a pawn, you can move 1 space forward or you can move 2 spaces forward. But after you've moved the pawn for the first time, then you can only move 1 space at a time. Now pawns, even though they move forward, they attack diagonally. So this pawn right here is actually attacking this pawn and attacking this pawn. This pawn can't do anything with the pawn in front of it. You'll see sometimes when you're playing the pawns game, you'll have a situation like this. These 2 pawns are now blocked. Neither pawn can capture the other pawn. So what we're going to do is give a short demonstration on how to play the pawns game, and hopefully you'll get a better understanding of what we're saying once you see the game being played. And black won. As soon as your pawn reaches the other side, whoever gets their pawn to the other side of the board first wins.
Guys, if you like this video on how we introduce the pawns game, we'd also like to introduce you on ways to become a better chess player. So be sure to tune into our other YouTube video. Subscribe to our channel, Chess Made Fun. We have brand new videos and we'll be putting them out every week. Also check out our website, chessmadefun.com. You'll understand what the benefits are to new chess players and the rules of chess. They're very important to learn as you progress in learning the game. So we hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see it again next time.